All right, so today we're gonna be taking a look at the HS80 RGB wireless headset by Corsair. So this headset features a comfortable, stress-free floating headband design, a 24-bit connection, immersive three-dimensional precision audio, and a broadcast-grade omnidirectional microphone. So let's go ahead and open up the box so that way we can get our eyes on this headset. All right, so right out the box, these feel really good in your hands. They have a nice weight to them. And check out the stress-free headband. I really like this design. I don't see many headsets that actually come with this style of headband, which is gonna make it super comfortable on your head, especially if you're gonna be playing for extended periods of time. On the top here, you also have the Corsair branding. And then as far as the ear cushions, these are really nice. I like the fact that they are not a false leather. They have a softer material on them, so it's gonna be a lot better for your ears when you're playing for a long time. Then you have the omnidirectional microphone, which is a flip down, and you can also bend this to your needs, so that way you get better clarity out of your microphone. On the side, we also have some RGB lighting with the Corsair logo on there, and each earpiece does swivel, so that way it's a lot easier for you to store these. As far as the comfort, they feel really nice on your ears. I really do like this headband design. Probably one of the most comfortable headsets that I've put on, and I've tried on a lot of them. And these are over the ear and they feel really comfortable. I love the padding on these. On the left ear, you have the power button, and then you also have the volume control, and you also have your USB plug right here, which is a USB Type-C. If you need to stretch the headband out to give you more space, what you need to do is go ahead on the inside, and then this is done with Velcro. So you'll go ahead and move that down and then go ahead and put it to whatever size that you like. And then that will give you more size on the headband. Inside the box, we also have a secondary box here, which is basically going to be your instruction manual. You're also going to have your dongle. This is going to go into your PC or your gaming system. Then you have your USB Type-C charging cable as well. And again, the instruction manual will be located right here in the bottom of the box. So next, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and plug this headset up. We're going to do an audio test, so that way you guys can get a good feel for what the microphone sounds like. I'm not gonna do any editing to it. That way you can get a feel of the microphone, how it sounds raw directly out of the box. All right, so this is a microphone test for the Corsair HS80 RGB wireless gaming headset. Once again, this is an audio test for the Corsair HS80 headset, just testing out the microphone, so that way you can get a good feel on how the microphone sounds. This is a microphone test 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so there you go. The Corsair HS80 RGB wireless gaming headset for Xbox One and Xbox Series S. Hopefully this video helped you out with making your purchase, and I will see you in the next one.